Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? I am fine and doing great, and today starting the new tutorial with this cap, and this cap is sending me from my Instagram page, uh, like this is a stone on it, and this is a ready to wear cap, and I am wearing this is sending by me as a PR on Instagram page. If you guys like, you can tell me in the comment section. I am telling you the Instagram page from where you buy it. This is the uh, delivery on whole country, countrywide or everywhere. I am putting this cap on my head like this, and also I am wearing this hijab. If you guys want more layers hijab, this video is for you. So let's first of all, you can double this part and pin it up. Putting this short part over your head, like putting this hand here and wait. You can putting this hand here and pin up from here. And taking this part putting a pin also here, and this part you can roll it and pin it. You can add some flower pins like this, which is pin up here, like this pin, and pin it here, and now put it here. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I'm wearing these jewelry pieces. Guys, it is looking amazing. Actually, it's looking simple, and look at this. It's a full coverage from back. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I'm also putting my gloves on. Wait, I'm putting my gloves on. You can wear jewelry pieces on your gloves. It looks so amazing and decent, so looking good, and you are looking so much modern and like this. I am wearing this. I am looking good. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Tell me, giving me the video links if you which video you like of me. You can give me the video links of my video, which video you like the most. Okay, thank you so much guys. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? I am fine and looking great because I am ill from since 2 or 3 days I am very ill and so I'm feeling so much fever, but now I'm feeling good and making a video for you guys. I hope you guys are missing me a lot, and let's get start the video without wasting time. So guys, today I am introducing you to a new hijab cap. This is look like this, and there are two bands which we are tied. Let's get wear it. Pin up from here. And now putting this part here and this part here. And this is the whole look. You can go outside with this look, just wearing cap and wearing dupatta like this, and go on shopping.